you.
So it's in the attic.
It's in the attic.
Alright, let's see what we got. So this thing is pretty tall, so I'm gonna take this one out for a second.
Which one?
We got this one.
Oh no.
The small and mighty.
Who's gonna hold that for you? No, babe, nah. That's not the correct ladder, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna fall. You see?
I hope that doesn't happen.
Sebas, no, listen to me.
No, it'll be fine.
Listen to me, Sebastian. You're not gonna go there.
You say you wanted me to be brave?
No, but I want a husband by tomorrow.
Well,
no, I want a husband by tomorrow.
Let me just check it out.
No, Sebas, that doesn't have support.